In this question, we're told that the directions on a can of lemonade call for 3 scoops of lemonade powder for every 250 milliliters of water. So we need to know how many scoops are required of that powder if we're going to make 1500 milliliters of water. So we know that for every 250 milliliters, we're going to require 3 scoops. So what I want to find out is how many units of 250 fit into 1500. So I'm going to take my 1500 and divide that by 250. Now what I can do is I can reduce this a little bit by dividing both the top and bottom by 10. So I get 150 over 25. And if I do that, I'm going to get that 25 goes into 150 6 times. So using that 6, I can then determine how many scoops I'm going to need. Because remember, for every unit of 250, I required 3 scoops. So I'd say 3 times 6 to give me 18 scoops of powder required for 1500 milliliters of water.